DS diving service. It is July 30th. We're here at Ocean Sweep. John, this video is for you. I got it tightened. Let me show you and explain what happened. When you were removing it, the rear nut got loosened, which was what caused it to wibble. Let me show you how I tightened it. I've got the tools on there now. Let's take a look. Now I think you lost the nut for that side, which means you are going to have to come back with one of those. But I've got the rest of it solved. So, okay, so we go put the other zinc back on, and then we're good.